So now we're going to look at the additional link chasing facility in Power Project 15. So to do that, we need to display the properties view. So that's the toggle at the bottom of the window, and then we get this dialog that's permanently on screen. If we look at the links tab and we select an activity, we see the predecessors, the incoming links on the left hand side, the successors, the outgoing links on the right hand side. And now you can add additional columns to that. So a particularly useful one is what's the float of the link itself, and that shows us on both sides, so we're going to have to add it once. And then if we want to follow that to see where it goes, if we follow this link and double click on it, then we chase that link and we highlight both in the predecessor table and on screen that particular link that we've just come from. So if we then say, well, we're going to go on to plastering, so we can drill down there, and you can see on screen the route that you've taken to get to that point. So we keep on going, screeding, we're going to ceiling grid, then we're going to go to the electrical work, and so we really do very rapidly be able to understand exactly what we're looking at. If we click away, that only lives through this particular instance. We don't see that path anymore. It's just whilst you're editing it, and that's just one of the many ways that we've always added to of being able to understand the logic. And so the other ones to remind you are the predecessor and successor view. We can navigate just all of the immediate incoming and outgoing activities, and we can double click to chase those. That's a mode that you get out of that mode. We're looking back to how did we get here? How did all the things that link into this? That's the view, the path to, with all the links or just the driving links. So that's how we got to this point. If we want to say, well, how do we get from that point to the end, then it's what's it from this activity, and we can see where all that's going. So the logic chasing part of it is an additional part that has been enhanced and helps greatly. So that's the link chasing in Power Project 15.